Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with James Jackson. James is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, James.
No problem.
So today I want to talk to you about town growth. Where do you see the town in 5 to 10 years?
That's hard to say because we're literally at our border. We're like just finished Thanksgiving dinner and you're sitting down and you got to unloosen the belt because and now the province is basically still telling us that, yeah, well, you can build up. Okay, that's fine and dandy, but now it's a matter of accessibility type thing. And of the housing, we already have a housing issue to begin with. People are having a hard time just being able to afford to stay in their own houses. So now you come back to the taxes. And that's what I actually addressed at the last town council, is when the last town council actually says that the seniors of this town have extra income to spend away. Yeah, right. I'd like them to point them out to me.
So if elected as a councillor, how would you feel about having a project come to you about building, for instance, a mid-rise?
We have to really assess it because we're already having flooding issues. Our infrastructure problem, like up in Shelburne, there's a great example. Their well, they got to get a new well. We have to make sure that we don't run out of water. I'm already experiencing my household water pressure is very low in my household. So, and the water's not the cleanest. Like, it's dirty. And that's because we're sucking at the bottom of the well, getting all that silt that's at the bottom of the well. So we really have to assess on how we build and make sure it's properly built so that we don't continue to more flooding.
Okay, well, certainly that's a topic that will be continued to be discussed after the council is elected. So thank you for sharing your feedback.
No problem.
Certainly if you'd like to see more of what James has to say, please do take a look at the links below. And thank you for watching.